Downtown Chicago. Ayan, mga downtown Chicago. Mga malaking building. Ayan, maganda yung ano. Ano ba tawag dyan? Clouds. Clouds. Ito palang baba ng Blue Line. Ano ba ito? Ano street na ito? But anyway, yes, mga dear ko dyan. Ito yung downtown. Nandito kami sa downtown today. Today is Saturday. Super traffic na mga dear. Back to normal na kasi. Ay super traffic. Yung on the way kami dito sa downtown, super traffic since nung last year. Ay talagang ngayon bumalik na ang normal na Chicago. Saan ba? Ay, nalumagpas na tayo dun sa ano, sa may what do you call this, malaking mga flags. Trunk Club. Trunk Club. Buti na lang dito area na to, hindi ma-traffic. Pero at least marami na rin sasakyan. Ay, lang lumiko to. Saan ba ito? Lasal. Yun, may inayos na building doon. Bago ata yun. Yes, bago. Ang dilim. Papuntang ano to, lake, di ba? It's a beautiful day. Again. Okay, we're still in Chicago, downtown. Yeah, Chicago. We're at Chicago.
Chicago. It's a city. It's exciting. It's a city. That's inviting.
Yeah. Okay, I'm starting to think that maybe it has 0 views because it hasn't actually uploaded. I don't know why it's like that. You turn on the radio, please. You turn on the radio, please.
Taking video na.
Also, I sent pictures.
Okay, I will. You can see pictures. I'm just gonna show them how beautiful downtown Chicago is. Alright?
Okay, but the pictures I sent were prettier.
I
I'm
know.
kidding.
I know. We're gonna put that together. I'll show them how traffic is here too. Yes, traffic. Ito sa kabilang side na to is traffic. Sorry. Here. Lipo.
So bright. Why does my so
Yes. Ito yung McDonald. Yung dating McDonald. Tapos, hindi na siya McDonald. Pero nandyan pa rin yung sign, di ba? McDonald pa rin ba? McDonald's pa rin pala. Kaso nagbago lang yung design ng ano niya. Sa dati. Yan. Nakailang punta rin kami dyan. Express lane. Express lane. Express lane tayo. Ayun, ang lag na malaki. Kunti lang nakuha. Yun natin na yung traffic. Diyan kami kanina. Kung saan kami galing. Tapos yan ang ka-traffic. Traffic. Tapos nandito kami sa expressway na bukas siya. Tapos yung pauwi na kami.